Collins Powell said, "There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and continual learning from failure." One of the main reasons why people fail in their fish farming is they quit faster. Once they are hit with challenges, they quit. But those challenges are bound to happen not only in fish farming but in any other investment you find yourself. For instance, in fish farming, you will be hit with mortality, water scarcity, diseases, market fluctuations. But if you allow this to knock you down and for you to quit, then that becomes the end of it. If I want to make for a fish, my name is Abdulaziz Issa. I am a fish farmer and I help people to set up their fish farms. According to Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, he shared a story of a man called Debai. Debai and his uncle, they went out those days to mine for gold. The uncle went to the pit with his shovel and pickers. Fortunately on his part, after digging few feet, he discovered the gold. After discovering the gold, he knew that he needed machinery to be able to mine it very well. And then he went back to his family and relatives and they borrowed him money and he purchased those machinery and shipped to the place. He went there after he discovered some quantity of gold and they checked it and they said this is one of the best golds in Carolina, the United States. He was happy and they knew that they have discovered their source of wealth. Unfortunately, after few gold discovered in the pit, there wasn't gold to find again. They keep digging, 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 no gold. Finally, they gave up, they gave out and they quit. The uncle sold the machinery to a dump man. And they think that the person buying this machinery at this spot where they believe there wasn't gold is dump. But they were wrong. Just after he bought the machinery, he brought out an aspect to check to see where there's hope of gold at that place. The aspect check, and he said those gave up, they lack the understanding of fault lines. And per his calculation, he recommended that they will find gold by the next 3 feet from where they ended or they stopped. And indeed, within 3 feet from where they ended, they actually found gold and they became one of the millionaires or the richest persons in America as a result of that. But thereby and the uncle quit just because of few feet away. I'm trying to say is that you might quit just at the time that you are heading towards success. And that's when you quit, that ends the story. You need to know that if you want to be successful in your fish farming journey, and not only fish farming in life, you need to bend your ship and block all sorts of retreat. This might confuse you. What do you mean by bend all your ship? Let's come to think of this. Let me also share a story in that same book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. They shared the story of a warrior who was leading his soldiers to fight their enemy. Their enemy soldiers outnumbered them. And when they loaded the soldiers and the equipment to the enemy's place, after offloading the equipment and the soldiers, he ordered the ships to be burnt down. And when they set the ship on fire, he addressed his soldiers and he said, As you can see, our ships are on smoke. It means that we cannot live here alive unless we win, because there's no source of retreat. And due to this, they won. Because they knew that if they did not win, they will not have any ship to carry them away. The enemies will end up by slaughtering all of them. So they fought all their best and they won. If you give all your best to life in whatever that you are doing, and specifically here we're talking about fish farming, you will win. And if you look at the story of Deba and Uncle who left the mine pitch when they were just 3 feet away, the other person took over and was successful. He was successful, one, because he brought an expert who assisted him. And that is another good lesson that we should learn. Sometimes you could be just few meters away from your success, but without expert advice, you would think that you are losing and you quit. Especially fish farming. This is livestock. It has or it requires expertise. If you don't know what you are doing, boom, you'll be doomed. If you don't know what you are doing, you'll be doomed. But if you engage the service of experts to come in, they can help you to be successful. We have helped several persons who are successful in their fish farming now and they are producing. We can equally help you. But one mistake beginners make is that they watch few videos like this and they think they are set to go and they can be successful. And when the reality set in, then that's where they begin to understand that fish farming is not something that they can go in. I often see comments on social media where people are cursing fish farming. People are thinking that it is no way you can make substantial income. But we have people who are doing so and they're making a lot of money. In fact, full time income from their fish farming. So if others are doing, why can't you? It is just a matter of figuring out how. And that's what this channel is all about. We have a completely free video where we teach you how to be successful in your fish farm from set up to finish. It's about 4 hours. Check it out in the description and watch that video, and it's going to help you. And if you still need our assistance, contact us. But one of the things that make people fail, because that leads to high mortality, is water problems. High ammonia buildups in water. What about if I told you that we have a simple tool that can take care of your waste in the water and break down the high ammonia, and as a result of that, your fish will be healthy, growing faster, and more importantly, you will not be changing the water all the time. And that's the recirculating aquaculture system. We have been using this and we have sent it out to several farmers and they are enjoying it. And if you don't want us to set it up for you and you want to learn it yourself, we have make a DIY, that is do it yourself, flotation and aeration system, where you can enroll in a course and you learn everything practical how to do it yourself. You can click on the link and purchase it on Gumroad just with few dollars. But if paying dollars will be difficult, contact us. You can do it through more money and you can have the course fully accessible to yourself. In fact, the goal of us is to ensure that we are all successful in the fish farming. And this channel has over 300 videos uploaded, educative ones like this, just to assist you. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so and let's grow our fish together. My name once again is Abdulaziz Issa. I'm a fish farmer and I help people to be successful in their fish farming journey. Please contact us and let's help you grow your fish. Thank you so much and don't forget to watch our next video. Bye bye.